Welcome to your exclusive tour of these luxury model homes nestled in the heart of Naples, Florida. Designed with elegance and comfort in mind, these homes offer the best of modern living and high-end finishes. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by an expansive floor plan that seamlessly blends the living, dining, and kitchen areas. Perfect for entertaining or relaxing with family, this spacious layout creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Moving into the primary suite, you'll find a tranquil retreat. This space combines luxury and comfort with a spa-like ensuite bathroom, spacious walk-in closets, offering you a perfect end-of-day escape. Step outside and you're welcomed by a private outdoor area that's perfect for Florida weather. Imagine unwinding here or hosting a cookout with your friends. These outdoor spaces blend beautifully with the home's architecture and landscaping. To learn more about these homes, feel free to reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to provide all the details and help you find your perfect home here in Naples, Florida.